BI 2.5 Undersink 2.5-gallon water heater review. Introducing the BISELONG BI 2.5 small undersink water heater, a compact 2.5-gallon hot storage solution designed for kitchens, RVs, trailers, and food trucks. Built for convenience, efficiency, and safety, this unit delivers instant hot water right where you need it. Rapid temperature recovery. Constructed from 304 stainless steel with laser welding technology, the tank is rust-resistant, leak-proof, and built to withstand high pressure. The 1,500-watt L-shaped heating element increases the heat exchange area, heating water in just 8 to 15 minutes. It can supply hot water to 2 sinks at a time, eliminating long waits beside the sink. Energy-saving smart inverter. With 99% thermal efficiency, the smart chip automatically heats to your set temperature and then insulates to maintain it. This reduces energy waste, keeps water warm, and helps prevent scale buildup. The maximum temperature reaches 149 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for everyday use. Compact design and versatility. Measuring 13 inches long, 11.4 inches wide, and 10.6 inches high, the square design saves space and fits easily under sinks, inside cabinets, or alongside dishwashers and washing machines. Ideal for homes, RVs, trailers, and food trucks, it's a versatile solution for tight spaces. Easy installation. The unit connects with 1/2-inch FIP stainless steel hoses and plugs directly into a 120-volt outlet. With a recommended 15-amp breaker and a maximum water pressure of 108 psi, installation is simple on walls, floors, or concealed positions. Safety and upgrades. Certified by CE, ROHS, and FCC, the heater includes multi-layer protection, electrical insulation, leak-proof plug, automatic temperature control, and a high-temperature limiting device. The June 2023 upgrade added thicker stainless steel lining, improved insulation, and increased durability, extending service life and boosting energy efficiency. Warranty and customer service. The BI 2.5 now comes with a 2-year warranty for units purchased after July 4, 2023. Amazon offers a 30-day voluntary return guarantee, and customer service is available 16 hours daily to assist with installation or product concerns. The BI 2.5 small undersink water heater combines rapid heating, energy efficiency, compact design, and certified safety for reliable hot water in any setting. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment to learn more or purchase today. Like this video and subscribe for more professional product reviews.